Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you all. You guys are amazing. You guys are wonderful people. So today, please pardon me, I want to use broken like pidgin English. They talk with you. I want to talk for this video now, understand. So as not already see for the topic down below, why it be say people they see the mistake, the errors of women like wives. You understand? Let me make I just hit that point like wives, and they don't see the ones with the husband, like the men, the one they do. Okay, make I start from the head like this. You be man, you go marry, because for where me I for come, they put money for woman head. You go put money for woman head. You see woman you marry, you want marry and you love her, you confess heaven and earth. The woman agree to marry you. Then you come out, go put money for her head. Then the day when they marry this woman, so the family that they hand over to you, their pikin, they tell you say, I beg this pikin, so now our pikin, take care of her, take good care of her. They will tell you like that. You go say, oh, many of them they go say, oh, that oh, you know, see, don't enter this year, pass the other side, come out. You go come out, you continue, you know, stuff for them, you go do altar own. You come they make vow. In poor and in riches, for better, be for better, for worse, till death do us part. Una go dey vow, una go dey vow. Till death do us part, oh, una go say yes, till death do us part. Though e never even reach anything, una go start. They manifest, una dey show una character, una dey show it. All those bad things una dey hide, una dey show one. Then if at self, when una dey make that vow self, when una dey say till death do us part, they don't say till side chic do us part. They don't say till violence do us part. They say till death do us part. Now wetin they talk be that. In every circumstances, you dey inside with the woman dey inside with you. I beg, if you never watch my video when I talk, then don't you ever run out of your marriage. I beg when I go watch that video. For that video, I talked about only the women. I face the women because me myself, I be woman. None of us, nobody good. So I talked about the woman. But today, based on say I know they join breeze, they back home. That's make I consider to give the men tell their own, talk their own as it be. Na no verse. So after you don't make the vow finish, you go dey beat the woman, you go dey maltreat her, you go start to dey flirt, you go dey drink, the woman go dey talk, you go dey complain, you go dey beat her, you dey beat her. If the woman talk, they'll say this woman, you are too naggy, you are a naggy wife, you too dey complain, you too dey do this one. They say now who wear shoe. I know where they pay now. All those women who did that state, they understand what they talk about now. Because now they wear that shoe, now they know where they did, now they know how they sup, and they know what they apple for inside that their marriage, you understand? When I know Vescata, they worry me, so that make me they always they touch my nose. When I understand, so now so the thing be. Now they be they complain, now say they too they nag. Because why when I say all those English people, I don't know where they speak the English, they go, you are a naggy wife, you are a naggy this, you are a naggy that. If the woman talk, the way the man go kill the woman, they'll say, why this woman not talk? If this man they do it like this, you deaf. Where the woman they talk, they complain. She won't say the woman a naggy woman. So if son does he kill their husband, they come poison her, they go say this woman, they pray person don't marry bad wife, oh, they pray me they don't do this one, oh. But that woman, things they will be say she dey bear, things they will be say she dey owe to herself. Things they will be say she don't talk, nobody listen to her. Yes, nobody. Una go continue. Many of them when they not get shame at all, they go carry their side chic. They go carry and come ask. Come meet your pregnant wife for us. Can I call your matrimonial bet? What an insult. Shame to the core. Shame to the core. You carry and come. So all this side chick will not see get shame. They'll see the same. If I say now, I don't even blame the side chick. Now the man I blame. You carry your side chick come down, not do you. Go they say your wife message for your present. If the woman not go, they shout for the woman for present of your side chick. You not get shame. Yes. Una not get shame. All these men when they do this, una not get shame. As in, and una not even qualified to make. In fact, they not call una man because real man not they behave like the one that they do. Yes, now me talk am. Now so it be. You go sit down your side chic when you see carry house. You go dey tell your wife, go and get me a glass of water. If you bring the water, come, go and get me juice. Juice beer, juice kill you there, idiot. Another person home. Another person marriage. Una dey scatter, una dey enjoy, una dey laugh, una dey happy. Now we dey here, we die here. Una see that place die put. Make una not worry. Everything get it time. Now so ecclesiastic talk, cannot me talk. Everything get it time. Make una dey misbehave. Person go do una. And if una talk, all this side shake them, una go hear word, una go know say yes. Because for you to make another woman cry, for you to scatter another person marriage, you are wicked. Wickedness in that place is not call the people. If I don't call una, you understand? So now so the thing be. So all this mess. So if woman come poison una tomorrow, una say this woman a bad woman. If woman come kill una tomorrow, una say una, before woman kill myself, you know say that man not good. Yes, you know say get what that man don't do. We make that woman take that kind useless action. Not be say I say what they do good though, but now they make some reasons where some women they kill their husband. Now they tell una so for una when sabi judge. Make una they judge where. Make una they judge where. Another one, men will be say you know the past of your wife. Before you marry her, the woman tell say, see, oh, I don't do abortion before, I don't do this one before, I don't do this one before. Nobody know they make mistake for this word. You can't do. They use that against the woman. Before the woman talk, you show her. Before the woman do, you do her. Before the woman go do anything, you beat them. They look you, turn out to push the bag. On a very good day, God will ask you, God will judge all of us. They go settle your own case. But I don't want to make this video long. More let me share and make all this over sabi them. All this approach them. Make they see how those chief judge, when sabi judge, when they see what you man do and what you man not do, when not they see what you man do. I beg, make una share this video, give them. Make they collect their own, they put for pockets. Now so it be. I'm not gonna insult anybody for this my channel. I'm not gonna insult anybody for this video. But now the truth must be told. Now make I no want use big English. Go confuse myself. I just want to talk as it be. Now the truth, they say now we wear shoe. Now I know where they pay now. Women will be say they did this kind of state. I know advise me you kill your husband. I know advise me you understand me, you do nonsense. I know advise you for all those kind of things. But make una not take a person life, because if you take person life, blood go down your hand. Leave her for God. And so you wish. All these side chick them, waiting you sow, you go reap. Let me talk and a Bible talk and so Bible talk and whatsoever a man sow, now waiting go reap. You know if you plant yam, make you reap corn. It's not possible. You plant yam, you go reap that yam, you go chop that yam. Now so it just be. Make una not the spoil person home. Start chick them. Now they hear me so. Make una not the spoil person home. Because you will make person cry. You will person destroy that woman marriage. That woman cause you say that cause not reach your body. You lie. Times 2. How I saw go reach your body. I beg. Make una subscribe to my channel. If una know say I never subscribe to my channel, una like wetin I dey do for this my channel. I beg. Make una subscribe. Make una show me small love. Make una say like this video. Una understand. So God go bless una. I go come again with another gist. We go the gist and they go like this. Una understand. We go dey learn. Make this word for today better. I'm gonna let me share this video because this video will save person life. You understand? If it help people change. So as una do, God go bless una. I go see una for my next video. Make una stay blessed. Make una stay cool. God bless you all.